Welcome. I'm Yadira, a holistic health practitioner and co-founder of Oracle of the Body. In this space, we bridge mind, body, and spirit, connecting you to true healing. In today's video, we will continue speaking about the lymphatic system. The subject will be mood swings. The lymphatic system is the silent guardian, the overseer, the protector, foreseeing danger, filtering toxins, and guiding the body towards balance. But what happens when this system is ignored, when its flow is resisted? Mood swings are not just emotional, they are signs of energetic stagnation. Today we focus on the flow of feminine energy and the resistance many women hold towards masculine alignment. The masculine principle, the father within the body, provides structure, reason, and foresight. Yet, when this alignment is neglected, when the lymphatic system is not honored, the body shifts from thriving to merely surviving. This resistance blocks the natural cleansing process, leading to emotional turbulence, fatigue, and misalignment. The lymphatic system requires truth. It is honest, and it responds to authenticity. Even the smallest thought influences its flow. If you eat something and say, "I hate this, but I'll eat it anyway," you send signals of resistance, creating toxic stagnation. But when you shift your approach and say, "This may not be my favorite, but I accept it and I will support my body through cleansing," you honor your body's wisdom. We must understand that healing begins when you surrender to truth, embrace balance, and allow your lymphatic system to flow in divine harmony. Your body listens, your emotions guide you. Align with truth, and healing will surely follow.